Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off-Axis Builds. This is a great episode, a really cool one. I just hit 4,000 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you to everyone that has followed me on this project, my Jeep project, and all the other DIY projects that I do on this channel. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content that's been coming out. It looks like a lot of you guys are enjoying the Monday virtual car shows. I really do appreciate you guys checking those out and commenting down below and commenting on this guy. I know I haven't been able to get on this guy for a while, but I will be able to hop back on it pretty soon here. Got a lot of stuff in the garage I got to clear out first. But anyways, that's not what we're here for. We just hit 4,000 subscribers and I want to give back to you guys. We're going to do a raffle. So anyone that puts their name down below in the comment section will be entered into this raffle. Now, one thing about this, you need to be subscribed to the channel. So go on up, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell so you can be notified to the latest videos that come out. Alright? So there will be a update video to this, doing a raffle on the computer. So I'll be doing that one on, I don't know, about a month from now or so. Alright guys, so what we will be giving away is a torque multiplier. So it's a cool tool to have. Everybody should have it in their garage, especially if you're working on a Volkswagen. They will work on other vehicles, but mainly it's for the glad nut, I guess, or your axle nuts. So it's a good tool to have. And again, guys, I just want to say thank you for keeping up with this channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting and just supporting this channel in general. Alright guys, thanks again, and hopefully we'll be doing another raffle soon after this one. Alright, remember guys, it's always built, not bought. We'll see you on the next one, guys.